Hi everyone and welcome. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to find the user manual for House of Marley Get Together 2XL speaker. Let's get started. At first we have to open our browser and type House of Marley Get Together 2XL manual. Now I have to click search and scroll down. As you can see, there is quick start guide Get Together 2XL. Now we have to click it and it's PDF file that we'll download on our phone. That's it for today's video. Hope you like it and hope it helps. Like and subscribe for more these types of videos. Goodbye.